today I want to talk about weekly reviews and conducting them inside of Notion. Now, I'm not a huge fan of daily evening reflections because I find that not enough happens in a day, not enough problem solving, not enough highs and lows to really assess where I'm at. Because really a review, what it's doing is clearing out what happened, say for a weekly review in the past week. And what it's doing is prioritizing tasks for the next week. It's helping you figure out the days to come. So when it comes to daily reflections, I just feel it isn't as necessary and isn't as valuable as zooming out to the week. So what I'm going to do here is show you how you can add a weekly review template inside of maybe a calendar you already have inside of Notion or some other database. Where do you put your weekly review?